Go to recent. 11. Okay, yeah. So you need to do that question first. The 2x plus the substitution method first, yes. I think I still remember the question. The question is 2x. Hold on. Instead of doing it over there, can you do it here? Is it 2x plus y equal to 3 and then 3x plus y equals to 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you do it here? Come on. Does this work? Let me see. Let me just try. 不可以。所以嘛，输什么？来。You can stand up, then stand for what? Sit too much or so. Or you can bring your chair over there. Quick one. Don't waste my time. You know how to play with my pad, right?
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead. Not enough space. You just manage your space. So first thing, label 1 and 2 first. Then you just see which one is easier. Can you be more daring? It looks like you are a bit like reserved. Okay? Just write per normal. So which one is easy for you to change? Do it one. Do it first. Or both are easy, then choose any one. Do the conversion. Which one is easy? Which one is easier? 1 and 2.
1.
1 then go ahead. 你在等什么 Convert. I think it's better to put at the back, not in front. Can you arrow to the back? Time on, quick. Are you scared of writing or not? Or what? Okay, good. So you already convert the 1, so now you can erase the 1 in a way. Can you just strike through the 1? Strike through. Strike through means like this. Let's go strike through. Strike through the 1, equation 1.
Oh.
Let's cross, strike through. Yes. So basically you don't need to look at 1 anymore. Okay, now, then you can, so can you see that you have a y here? Can you see that you have a y here? Then you can delete the y. Yeah, so cross out the y here, cross out the y there. So when you cross out the y, so you need to fill the y with the 3 minus 2x. So what you get? Yep, with a bracket. Very good. Yep. Very good. With the bracket. Then open the bracket. By the way, it's plus minus, not minus plus. Second arrow, right? Plus minus, right? How come you minus plus? Second arrow, right? Plus minus, right? Plus first, right? Am I right or not? Then how come you minus plus? That's how you read, right? 你看 plus 3, then this is plus minus, right? You read this one first, right? Am I right or not? Or you have been doing it wrongly? Or you have been doing like minus plus? Wrong, right? You're supposed to read this first. That's why your arrow, can you see your arrow? You start from here, right? So it's plus minus. Okay? Then you simplify the plus minus. What's the next step? Quick one. 快点。太慢了，太慢了。Bring it over. Yeah, it's good to bring it to the back. Okay, because it looks more tidy. Quick. Okay, good. So x equal to 1 divided by 1 is you cannot handle with your brain, use your calculator to double check. Never mind, just press this. Yes, good. Good. So when x equal to 1, then you can see here. So y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Write down y equals to 3 minus 2x. Yeah. So your x equal to 1. So you put in x, yeah. So now you put in x equal to 1. Then you can get your y already. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Are you clear? Are you clear? How to do substitution now? Clear or not? Okay, good. This is recorded, so you can always come back to refer to this. Okay, this is under the part 2. Wow, 27. You play what? Your number is 27.
This one was.
Class T.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. So that's how you use the substitution method. Okay? Yeah, good. Next. Above. Okay, good. So, okay, let's talk about the expansion first. Okay, so expansion first, second arrow. So this is the first arrow. Oh, by the way, the first arrow, this is 1x squared. By the way, you have the xx ma. So 2 times 0.1 is 1. So it should be 1x squared. 为什么 1x 而已 Can you see x and x? Can you see x and x? X times x is 1, is x squared. Then 2 times 0.5 is 1. That's why your first should be 1x squared. Okay? Then next one is minus 4x, correct? Then this one is 10x. It's 2 times or 2.5?
2 times
你看 you confuse yourself. It's actually 2 times 0.5 or what? I'm confused. You see, you confuse me, you confuse yourself also. Can you see here, right? So it's 2.5, okay? So you better write 2.5 like this. 2 times 5 is here. Can you next time just make it bigger if it's a times? Otherwise you confuse yourself. And you OCD this one, okay? Okay, so it's 2.5x. Okay, the rest is quite okay. Because this is actually 1x squared, so you're not supposed to combine. So basically you end up with x squared, then minus 0.5x minus 10. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Your mistake is here. Okay, so meaning if I give you 2x times 3x, what do you get? 2 times 3?
6.
X times x? Yeah, correct. What if I give you this? 2x squared times 3x? What do you get? 2 times 3?
6.
X squared x. How many x? 4? 2 and 1?
3.
Yes. So 6 cubed. Okay? So I'm not going to explain to you one more time about this. You shouldn't make mistake here. for this kind of question anymore. Okay, so therefore this is 1.5x squared. And now, so let me just wow, you start to confuse me. Okay, good. This is 26x squared. Why? X times x. Okay. Then the rest is 65. Okay, good. And minus. Okay. Okay, this is good. But because this is wrong, so it's 26x squared plus 65 minus 8 is 57x minus 20. Okay. Good. So that's how you do the expansion. Okay. So for this part, right? Where's the answer?
It's above.
这里啊
Yeah.
Okay, so you change it to the same denominator throughout, then okay, then 6x is equal to 这个 okay, good, x is okay, good. 这里啊 D 呢 Why you need to refer to that?
Set aside.
Oh, smaller. Me here, right? Okay, good. So so this is about move things over. When you move things over, you need to change the sign. Did you? 没有. Minus 2y, you change it to be plus. OCD. Okay? You see, you also OCD, right? Okay? When are you going to change? You don't change, you don't expect your mom to change. Okay? Wrong, huh? Why wrong? Never change the sign. 对吧? Am I right or not? Okay, by the way, so I keep seeing this. So let's say if I have 2y plus 7 equals to 3y minus 3, minus 2. So I see that you try to put the plus 7 here. I'm not saying put the plus 7 here is not good. Okay? You put the plus 7, you move it over, it becomes minus, right? Actually, it's better to put it behind. You put it behind, like to the back. Okay? So if you put it behind, you get this 3y, you bring it over. So you get minus 2 is still minus 2. Then you put it behind, it's minus 7. It's good to put it to the back. Okay? So when you move over, you change sign. Alright? Okay? Okay, good. So I'm not going to talk about this. Okay, this one is super easy. So this is open bracket. By the way, 3 times 3, you give me 6. You make the same mistake again. 你还用你的脑袋 for what? I ask you to use your... I ask you to use what?
Calculator.
Yes! You know what I remember? You make this mistake last time? I think last time is about 2 times 2. And then I ask you why you get... I think last time was also 3 times 3. And then I asked you why you get 6x. And then you said you use mental. And I remember I said, don't trust your brain. I also don't trust my brain. I don't trust my mental calculation. So you keep saying your mom OCD, you also OCD. When it comes to mathematics. You keep repeating the same mistake again and again. Or you are just too lazy to use the calculator. Or you don't use calculator here. If next time you make this mistake again, where I'm going to broadcast, I say Charmaine has OCD. I also tell your mom. Okay? So, okay, wrong because you never use the calculator. It should be 9x. Okay? By the way, for this one you remember to change the sign. This one you never remember to change the sign. I don't know why. This one you move over, minus 45, you remember to plus. By the way, you have a lot of space. Why you squeeze? Can you make full use of the space? Can you? Can you or not? Okay? So, good. Okay, this one. Okay, for questions like this, right, I think you can do a much better job. Okay? I want to talk about I think this one is good. This one is also good. Let me double check here. You made a mistake here. Last time I say when you have a minus here, what you do? You need to put a bracket for.
The behind.
Yes. Did you?
No.
你没有，所以错咯。So you're supposed to put a bracket here. You never put a bracket, then you're wrong. OCD. Yeah, you also OCD, yeah? When it's plus, no need. Minus, you need. Okay? I remember this one very clearly, okay? Because I think you show me your schoolwork, and then before your test, I gave you a few questions to practice, and that time you remember. Today you cannot remember. I don't know why. Okay, let's talk about this before I talk about the factorized one. Okay, this one. Okay, next time I want you to seriously fully utilize the space. You don't give me like tiny. Okay, I'm old enough already. You don't test my eyesight. Can you next time zoom in a lot more? Okay, good. So first arrow, minus. Very good. Second arrow, minus, minus, plus. Okay, good. Minus, minus is plus. Okay, good. So I'm supposed to see minus 5a. Yeah, very good. I'm supposed to see minus 7a, plus 5a, minus 很好. Then just combine similar term. You're supposed to use formula. I think you're supposed to use a calculator. 16a minus this is 9a. 9a plus the 5a, 14a. 14a minus the 3a equals to 11a. How come you get 16a? I don't understand. You just use a calculator lah. 16 minus 7. Can you type it?
I calculate everything.
No.
I
Huh?
want to go.
你等一下. 16 minus 7 plus 5 minus 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it? I don't know. You test. You help me test. Unless you are looking at some other stuff. It's 11, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you are wrong. And by the way, you are supposed to have the minus 3 minus the 15, right? Like?
Yeah, got put minus.
Minus 3 minus 15. Tell me the answer. Minus 18, right? I don't know why you get wrong. Okay? Okay, I know why you get wrong already. You underline, you never underline properly. Can you just make it like better, like, oh, okay, you see, I also don't know whether this is a straight line or underline. Can you do a better job, like, okay, this is straight, this is straight, this is straight, this is straight. And then let's say you want to differentiate the two, you don't write it on the same level. Can you just do this? Don't be so lazy. Just okay, I'm just trying to tell you this. Okay, I cannot. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you is this. Can you just space it out? Example this. Okay, can you like, okay, this one I'm going to use straight line, mean straight line, huh? Okay, then can you do a better job, like instead of just, can you just keep doing this? So it's very clear cut. It's very clear cut. Not like this. Wow, no difference. Do you see the difference or not? No difference. But I mean, not as distinguishable, right? Not as distinguishable than this, right? Okay. If you cannot, okay. If you seriously cannot next time, you can also do this. Wow, this is so distinguishable. So distinguishable, right? Then what you do? Just use your calculator. 16 minus 7 plus 5, right? Okay, I don't know what. Okay, so your opening of bracket is correct, but somehow when it comes to the last part, like you make it so indistinguishable for yourself to see, so that's why you make a mistake. Okay, next. 这里 minus, yes. Then this, 你看错 for this one. I seriously don't know how you read the bracket, but for me this one will be correct. But this one is minus 4, right? This is minus 3, right? So minus 4 minus 3 you get. So I'm supposed to see a minus here. You did not have that. So if you have that, this minus 4 minus 3, this will be plus 12x. Okay, so your mistake happened here, so second step wrong already. 啊，你没有看到咩呢？ Or you never read the minus, you read it as 4 ah? You read it as 4, is it? You read it as 4, right? Like just 4 times minus 3. Are you supposed to write read the minus as well?
Yeah.
Why are you supposed to read the minus?
Minus is with the 4.
Correct. That's why I think the other time, right, you make a similar mistake, right? You know what I teach you to do? Okay, I say you draw the arrow, fine, but you can also circle it so that every time is carry with the minus sign. Okay? Can you do this next time? If it's a minus. Or if it's a plus, I think you also need to do this. Okay? Good. So that's the part. Okay, so now I want to put more time on the factorization part, because this is going to be the this is what you are learning in school, right? Factorization, this part. I mean, this part simplify is we have learned before. Opening bracket. This is what you are learning at factorize, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, let's look at it. The first step to do is ask yourself how many terms are here? Underline 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms, right? So when you have 4 terms, what you do? The first step you do is, okay, let me just copy the question over. You need to remember the step. If you don't follow the step, I think you are wrong. Because every time you never follow step, it's wrong. So the first step is you split to 2, 2. So if you know that this is, okay, let's say you decide this is the first 2, this is the last 2, so you split. Are you clear? 4 terms, you split to 2, 2. Now, simple. Split 5, A, B. Yeah, good. Okay? I compare to your splitting. Correct. Then this, how do you split? Put a plus sign here, because plus, so you split 5, 3, A, C, right?
Yeah.
Good. So I don't do the last 2 first. I do the first 2 first. So what's common? 5A, right? So 5A, I take out 5A. Okay, 5A gone. Okay, if you want to use a, okay, don't just. So during the exam, you can use a pencil. So once you take out the 5A, you are left with B plus 3C, right? Do you have, okay, good. So your first part is correct. Okay? Now, let's focus on doing this. Okay? The second part. So the second part, what do you have? Okay? You have negative, right? Okay, good. So this is negative 5 M B. Right? Then this one, negative 5 3 M C. Am I right or not? Am I right? So what's common? Negative 5 and M. Negative 5 M, right?
Yeah.
So you take out the common. Okay, so what is, okay, so you have, okay, so this is, you break it up to this, or you split to this, and then this you split to this. There is nothing in between, right?
Yeah.
So when there is nothing in between, what is in between? Default.
Plus.
Correct. So if there is nothing in between, the default is plus. So therefore now you take out the common, which is negative 5M, right? So what is left? Okay, gone. So you're left with B plus 3C, right? Then now you start to do the, no need to split. Now you so just now we split. Now we combine these 2 and we do together. So this is my left hand side. This is my right hand side. So what is common? So can you take it out? So what is left? 5A minus 5M, right? Oh, this is your bracket. So can you see can you see that you also have a M here? Then you also take out that 5. You have this common 5, right? take it up. So you just rearrange it better. So you can put the 5 in front. So this is the answer. Okay, can you do the second question here? Okay, so I'll just get the question out, then you're going to do it here. Show me. No, I don't want to do it. I want to get it out. Yeah, can you do the question here? Follow my step. I think you can switch off your tab. I don't need your tab. So hold tight, yes, good, yeah, please. So next time when you have your schoolwork, right, please share your schoolwork with me, okay? Yeah, I know what kind of difficulty level your school is having, so I can fine tune my. Oh, I can fine tune my my assignment also. So next week you go to your school, get your this material, send to me, okay? Monday night. Baby, eating? Yeah. What the? Hello. Can you copy the question and split quick? 不要浪费时间。This is also another way. By the way, there is a plus sign. You miss out the plus sign. Yes. After the plus belong to the 3, so you cannot put it in front. Yes. Quick, split now. Yeah, you split already. Half already. Then do the left hand side. How do you split? Okay, try not to to try to spread it out. Okay, manage the space. Very good. Okay, do the left hand side. Do the left hand side first. Don't go and do the right hand side. I just talked about do the left hand side. When you finish, then you do the right hand side, right? Finish one side, then do the other side, right? You better cross it out, otherwise it's very hard to see. Yeah, when you cross it out, it's easier to see, right? Am I right now? Good. Okay, now you do the right hand side. Okay, good. Yes. So now done already. So now you can combine them and do it now. Can you erase? So basically you just until here only. Okay, good. Never mind. Just continue. So how do you do now? Can you write? There is nothing in between. So what is in between? Yes. Very good. So anything common? Okay, good. So take it out. Cross it out, yes. By the way, with a bracket, right? With bracket, right? Yes. So what's left? With a bracket. Yes. Yeah, that's it. Okay, good. Next question. Hold on. That's how you do factorization. Sorry. This one. Okay, sorry. Can you stand up first? Sorry. Okay, don't go away first. Let me just look at this first. Okay, for this question, right? There is a big for this question. Okay, there's no problem. Okay, so like I say, right, what you need to, okay, do it the way I teach you. Split first, split to left and right first, and then do the left. Choose the red color. You just choose the red color. Oh, okay, good. 可以了. Copy the question first. Okay, good. Manage your space, yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. So how do you do this? Minus A. How do you split minus A? Eight times. Minus A is 8 times what? Do you know 8 times what? 8 times. Then you need to give me the branch. A times what? Give you minus A. Correct. Continue with minus B. How do you split the minus B? How do you split the minus B? Correct. Okay, so what's common? Yeah. Take it out. Cross it out. Oh, by the way, nothing in between. So what is in between? Very good. Plus. So what is left? A plus B. Okay, good. Now you can combine the two and do it already. All right. Okay. What's left? Okay, very good. Yeah, so that's how you do this question. All right. Okay, Ken. Yeah. Excuse. Very good. Done. Done. Okay, let me just go up. Okay, so for the last question, here, there is a technique here you need to learn before you can solve this question. Okay, so I think you observe that these two they are similar, but not exactly the same. So what if I give you this? How do you do this? You will see that, oh, this one and this one the same, right? By the way, if this is bracket, means can you split this or not? Cannot. When you bracket means it's a one whole. Cannot split anymore. When you bracket means you want to one whole, not separable. Okay? So don't separate. So you see that 5 minus f, so you take out, right? So with the bracket, so gone. So 2e plus 2. Done. if you are given this question. But clearly this question is this is question 2. Question 2 is different from question 1. Because question 1 is what? Question 1 is 5 minus f, but at the back is f minus 5. Can you see that they are kind of like similar but not exactly the same? Right? Then in this situation, what can you do? Okay. In this situation, you need to change the position. But when you change the position, right? So you know, okay, so let's say if I give you 3 minus 2. Okay? If you change the position, what's going to happen? What is this value?
1.
What is this value?
Negative 1.
Okay, good. So when you change position, they will end up with?
Negative.
No. When you change the position, they will end up with different answer, right? Okay? So can you just change the position like that?
No.
When you change the position, you will get a different answer. So you cannot change position like that. So what is the effect here? So okay, so you are supposed to get 1. Okay? But by changing the position, you get negative 1. So how can you, so basically you are telling yourself, I changed the position, and then because of the change of position, my answer is not the same. Right? So you need to counteract the effect of changing of position by, how do you make negative 1 1?
Times.
No, you put a negative in front. Negative 91 equals to? Ha! So you change the position, then you change the value, right? You cannot change the value. So you know that you change the position, you are going to change the value. So you need to do something to counteract. How do you counteract? You give it a minus. So therefore, I change the position here, right? Can you see I change the position here?
Yeah.
So I need to counteract the effect. So I change. Just now it's plus, right? I change the position. I know that I change the position, the value is going to be changed. So I need to change the sign in front to counteract the effect. Understand? Change of position will change the value. So you need to change the sign to counteract. Understand me? It's like do you know why we need to take the vaccine, like the COVID vaccine? Because we know that if we get COVID without the vaccine, right, we are going to have some implications, negative implications. So in order to counteract the negative implication, we need to take the vaccine first to counteract the negative implications. So the same thing, you know that you change the position, right? You change position here, you change position or switch position here, you are going to have some implication. So you need to do something to counteract the implication. Over here, you change the sign. So once you change the sign, it's easy. You see that these two are the same. So you just take it out. And then now it becomes 2e minus 3 left. Okay? So if I give you one more example. Okay, so you can see that these two, they are kind of like similar, but not exactly the same, right? So what you do, if you change the position, you know that it's going to have implication, right? So you need to do something to counteract the change of position. So what you do, you need to change the sign here. With plus become minus 3. Okay, so now done. So now these two, so you're left with 2e minus 3. Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay, so this is one way. Another way, I keep talking about this, right? Can you see that I can also change this position. Right? If I change this one, so at the back, no need to do anything. So if I change this one, what do you think to my this? Okay, this there is nothing in front, so it's plus. So if I change the position here, what do you think the sign here for 2e? You change the position here, right?
Negative.
So it becomes negative here, right? Because you change the position, you are going to have some consequence. So just because of this consequence, you need to change the sign here to counteract the consequence of this. Are you clear? So that's why here becomes negative. So now, instead of changing the back just now, I change the front. So now, can you see I have something similar? So I just get it out. Wait, sorry. So once I get it out, I'm left with minus 2e plus 2. Are you clear? This is also the correct answer. Okay? This is also the correct answer. Are you clear? Okay? So there are two ways to do this kind of questions. Okay? So I want you to, I will keep giving you this, okay, I'm not going to give you any question before Monday. So I suggest you, you go to your school, then you get the materials. If you already have, do you have any materials at home?
No.
Okay, if you have, then you can just give it to me by Sunday. If not, I expect your stuff on Monday. And then Monday when you upload it, then you just send me a message. Just tell me, okay, I've uploaded it, the name is blah blah blah. Then we'll look at, try to give me like at least two worksheets. Then I can look at then I have a wide range of questions. Then I know what kind of questions I should give it to you. Okay, so today, right, I think the some important things you learn is, what's this?
9x.
6, yeah? Okay, what is this?
9x squared.
Very good. Okay, you don't give me OCD again, Okay, then the next one will be the just now we talked about the 4 terms one. Remember the 4 terms one? Okay, the 4 terms one, what you do? You split first, right? And then you do this part, and then you do this part, right? And then later you combine and do it, right? And then of course, then we talk about the graph, right? How do you check your graph whether it's correct or not? First thing first, of course, you need to convert to this format, right? Okay, and then of course, how you can double check whether your graph is correct or not? You use the app. Okay, use the app to see whether your graph is similar without checking with me first. Right? And then of course the substitution method. So for substitution method, it's very simple. Okay, so by the way, in this case, right, if you look at this, right, do you already see that you already have this you can change the 1 to y x over, must change the sign, right? So you can delete the 1 already, right? So once you delete the 1, can you see that you have both y here? So what you do? You change the y into x minus 2. So your y here, right, is x minus 2. Are you clear? Then after that you just continue x minus 2 plus x is equal to 6. So this one move over, change the sign. So x plus x is equal to 6 plus 2. So 2x is equal to 8. So divide by 2 on both sides. X divided by 2 is 4. So once you x equal to 4, then you plug it into this. So y is equal to x minus 2. So my x is equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So y equals to 2 when x equal to 4. Are you clear? So this is substitution method. Okay? So yes. So there are a lot of things you need to go back and tidy up. Okay? I think there are three parts, or at least 3 parts. You keep repeating the same mistakes. These 3 parts is your OCD symptoms. Okay, like the 3x times 3x, you give me 6x. Okay, and then when it comes to this negative 4, you go in, you better circle the whole thing to go in for the second area. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? Okay, good. So yeah. Any other question for me?
No.
Okay, good.